Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this one question over here, that is a nursery has 5,000 plants in which 10% are roses and 2% are sunflowers. What is the total number of other plants? So it is given that total plants is 5,000 and nursery has 10% roses and 2% sunflowers that is. So total number of other plants, that will be from 5,000, what will you do? 10% of 5,000 minus 2% of 5,000. So here 5,000 will be as it is. 10% means it is going to be 10 by 100. Wherever you have this percentage sign, you have to divide it by 100. Of means multiplication. This as it is. 2% means 2 by 100, and this is of multiplication and 5,000. So here it is going to be 5,000 minus these two zeros will get cut. This will be 500, and this again, these two zeros will get cut, and this is going to be 100. So your answer will be 5,000 minus 500, that is going to be 4,500, minus 100, that is 4,400. So by this one we have completed this question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.